Hello guys, again you are welcome to my channel Literature Classes. This is Abhilasha Yadav. Guys, today I am going to discuss reciprocal pronoun. What is reciprocal pronoun? A pronoun which is used to express reciprocal relationship between two things or between two persons. So guys, we shall discuss all the things related to reciprocal pronoun. We shall learn all the things through the example. So, let's start the topic. So, reciprocal pronoun. What is reciprocal pronoun? A pronoun which is used to express reciprocal relationship, or you can say mutual relationship. We use reciprocal pronouns when two or more than two persons do same thing. When two person or more than two person do the same thing, that time we use reciprocal pronoun. There are two reciprocal pronouns. There are two reciprocal pronouns. One is each other and second is one another. Each other is always used for two person. This is a rule of from the ancient grammar, that each other is used for two person and one another is used for more than two person. Means when we want to show two person or more than two person do the same thing, that time we can two person do the same thing, that time we use each other. And when more than two person do the same thing, so we use one another. We show the reciprocal, or you can say mutual relationship between two person. That time we use one another. Okay, then each other. So each other is used for the two girls love each other. See the example. The two girls love each other. Here there are two girls. Number of girls are two. And they two love. Whom they love? Each other. Means one girl love another and another girl love that person, that one. That's why we are using here each other. Why we are using? Because there are only two. There are only two girls or two boys, we can use each other. Means each other is used for two person or two girls. Next example, we all care one another. We all care one another means there are more than two person. We don't know two or three, four or several people. So, we is used for plural and more than two person or two person, but there is no numerical value is given. So, that means we have to use one another, because one another is used for more than two person. Here also we can see mutual relationship among the person. So, that's why we all care one another. Okay, understand that? Next, you are watching on the screen. There are four sentences is given. One another are looking happy. This is the very first sentence. One another are looking happy. One another is used here as subject. Guys, I want to tell you that one another and each other are called reciprocal pronouns. And reciprocal pronouns cannot be used as subject. So, this sentence is wrong. Why wrong? Because reciprocal pronoun, or you can say one another, is used as subject here. So, this sentence is wrong. How can we make this? See, they are looking happy. They are looking happy. We have to add subject here. One another is not the subject. This is the reciprocal pronoun, and reciprocal pronoun are not used as subject. So, we should change here as they are looking happy. The answer of the first question is they are looking happy, not one another are looking happy. So one another are looking happy is wrong sentence. Next, each other are ready to go to temple. Each other are ready to go to temple. Each other, what is each other? Each other is reciprocal pronoun and it is used as subject. So this is also a wrong sentence. What will be the right sentence? Each other, we have to replace this each other with they, because there are two person and they is used for two or more than two person. So we have to add subject as they. They are ready to go to temple. Understand that? Why? Because each other and one another are reciprocal pronoun and they cannot be used as subject of the sentence. They are used always as an object of the sentence or as the object of the verb. So, first and second sentences are wrong and first and second sentences are right. Okay. Next, we have to understand all the things related to reciprocal pronoun. So, I think we should move to the exercise. We should do some practice so that we can understand the concept of reciprocal pronoun easily. So see guys, the very first sentence, the two brothers loved then blank very dearly. The two brothers loved blank very dearly. Means here which of the pronoun we should add? Reciprocal pronoun. The two brothers loved. I told you each other is used for two person and one another is used for more than two person. So the two brother, which pronoun will be added here? Which reciprocal pronoun will be added here? Guys, I think you should also practice this. You should also solve this. So tell me the answer. The two brothers loved what will be the answer of this question? Each other. What will be the answer? Each other. The two brothers loved each other very dearly. Next, little children quarreled blank. Little children. Here we are not clear that how many children are there. There is no numerical value, but children is plural. That means there are several children. We don't know 1, 2, 3 or 4. So that's why which reciprocal pronoun will be used? Guys, tell me please. Little children quarreled. The answer will be one another. Why one another? Because we don't know that there are two person or more than two person. Next, they all are against. Guys, notice one thing. The spelling of R is wrong. This will be A-R-E. Please correct yourself. They all are. This is our. But here we have to write R. A-R-E. Please correct yourself. A-R-E. So they all are against blank. They all are against. Here we are saying they. They is plural and we don't know how many person are there. So which pronoun, which reciprocal pronoun can be added here? Each other. Sorry, one another. Because we don't know that there are two or more than two. If the numerical value 2 is given, so we can add each other. If 2 is not given here, so we have to add one another as considering more than 2. The two men hate. Next sentence, the two men hate blank. Here we see that numerical value is given. There are two persons, there are two men. They hate each other. The two men hate each other. Next, Radha, Mohan, Shyam and Mukesh. Radha, Mohan, Shyam and Mukesh help blank. Here the subject is very clear to us. Why? Radha, Mohan, Shyam, Mukesh. These are 4 people. That means more than 2 people. So we can add here the reciprocal pronoun. Which reciprocal pronoun? One another. Because there are more than 2 persons. I think all of you have understood this, the difference between one another and each other. Guys, if you want to get the screenshot of this solved exercise, so I am going to give you that also. See guys, this is the solved exercise of the practice, the previous practice exercise. So here you can see all the answers of the question. Like first, see, the 2 brothers loved each other very dearly. The 2 brothers loved each other very dearly. We have seen in the last exercise, means which was the blank exercise. We have to solve. We were solving that exercise. Here we are seeing solved. Answer is each other. Okay, the 2 brothers loved each other very dearly. I told you. The next is little children quarreled one another. Why one another? Because children are more than 2. Because the number is not given. We are not sure there are 2 or more than 2. They all are against one another. They all means more than 2 people. So one another. Next, the 2 men hate each other. Why each other? Because only 2 persons here, 2 men. That's why. Next, Radha, Mohan, Shyam and Mukesh helped one another. Why one another? Because Radha, Mohan, Shyam and Mukesh are 4 people. Okay. So guys, if you want to take the screenshot of this solved exercise, you can take it. So guys, I hope this video of reciprocal pronoun would be very helpful to you. That's it for today. If you have any queries, any doubts in your mind, please mention it in the comment section below. I shall try my best to solve your all the problems. That's it for today. I shall meet you very soon with a new video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.